He had no home, no money, and no one believed in him. Every night he slept on a cold bench in downtown Los Angeles, using his backpack as a pillow and his hoodie to survive the freezing nights. People walked past him every day. Some ignored him, some judged him, and some didn't even notice he existed. But what they didn't know was that this man was about to change his life forever. His name was Jake. Just 6 months ago, Jake had a normal life, a small apartment, a basic 9-to-5 job, and a routine that felt safe, until one day everything collapsed. He lost his job, bills piled up, rent became impossible, and slowly he lost everything. Friends stopped answering his calls, family told him to figure it out, and just like that, he became invisible. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and hope started to fade. But one night, something changed. Jake was sitting outside a coffee shop, not for coffee, but for one thing: free Wi-Fi. His phone was old, the screen cracked, barely working, but it was all he had. As he scrolled through random videos, one caught his attention: make money online using AI. At first, he laughed. How can I make money when I don't even have a home? But this time, he didn't scroll past, he clicked. That one decision changed everything. The next morning, Jake made a plan. He didn't have money, but he had time. He didn't have a laptop, so he went to a public library. Every single day, he sat there for hours, learning, watching, trying. He discovered tools that could write content, create designs, even generate videos. And then he had an idea. What if he offered simple services online using AI? He created a free account on freelancing websites. At first, nothing happened. No clients, no replies, no money. Rejections hit hard, but this time he didn't quit. Day 5, nothing. Day 10, still nothing. Then, on day 12, he got his first message. Can you write a short script for my video? Jake paused. He had never done it before, but he remembered something. Start before you're ready. He said yes. He used AI tools, learned fast, and delivered the work. Payment? $20. It wasn't much, but for Jake, it was everything. That night, for the first time in months, he smiled. From there, something clicked. Jake started improving every single day. Better scripts, faster delivery, more clients. $20 turned into $50. $50 turned into $200. He didn't invest money because he had none. He invested his time. Days became nights. Nights became hustle. People in the library started recognizing him, the guy who never leaves. But Jake wasn't just sitting there. He was building something. By day 20, he had made over $3,000. Still homeless, but no longer hopeless. Then came the breakthrough. A client offered him a bigger project, $2,000. Jake worked like his life depended on it, because it did. He delivered perfectly. More orders came in, more money flowed, and on day 30, Jake checked his account. $10,000. He just stared at the screen in silence, tears filling his eyes. From sleeping on the streets to making $10,000 in just 30 days. Not luck, not magic, just one decision to try when everything felt impossible. One choice to keep going when nothing was working. And one belief that his life could still change. And the truth is, Jake's story isn't special because of AI or money. It's special because he didn't quit. So if you're watching this right now, feeling stuck, broke, or lost, remember this. Your situation can change in 30 days, but only if you decide to start today.